Back to my more important analysis videos on Tuesday 10th of April with me, Richard Perry, market analyst at Hantec Markets, looking at euro dollar, which is sort of gradually now starting to improve again, but it does need to break out above that 23.45 resistance, which sort of capped a couple of weeks ago the gains, and seemingly again, so sort of in the early moves today seems to be sort of acting as resistance. It's sort of this move in the last sort of couple of days has reaffirmed, I suppose, that uptrend, which was the 12-month uptrend since April last year, which was quite strongly tested Thursday and Friday last week. But we saw the rebound and then we're sort of pulling back higher again. You need to see the momentum indicators ticking higher, and what we are seeing is the stochastics crossing higher on a bull cross. Now that didn't happen at the beginning of March when we saw the rally, lasting quite a strong rally of about sort of 250 pips, and also earlier in February, again, big turnaround with some strong gains. So is this a move that if we get back above 123.45 could reopen that 124.75 level of that key March high? So we could see some gains coming through if the market can break free of 23.45. That is the key level of resistance near term, because you've got this improvement in momentum starting to come through. You see here on the hourly chart where you've broken that downtrend now, and we're now starting to build higher again. You've got an old pivot around 123.60, which I've still got on this chart, but 23.45 is that initial resistance that we're sort of coming up towards the test of. Now you've got an improvement in the hourly momentum. Certainly a couple of weeks worth of negative configuration on the MACD lines have now been turned around. RSI pushing up towards 70 on the hourly, having previously failed around 60. So there is an improvement at play coming on through. Now just needs to continue to come higher. Now there is a small little uptrend, I suppose you could draw in here. So you've broken the downtrend and you're now building a new uptrend. So we can start to see this improvement gathering momentum, and above 23.45 I think that really does start to sort of look like a much more improved outlook. So with that in mind, I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I'll speak to you later.